Hello Pisces, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you and your person. So on one side will be your energies and other side will be the energies of the person you are dealing with, and then the most likely outcome. So, and yeah, please feel free to swap your sides according to your situation. So let's see what's going on for Pisces. Okay, so on your side we have the Two of Cups. On your person's side, the Knight of Cups. Okay, let's see the most likely outcome. The Knight of Wands. Okay, so on your side you have a connection, you have a relationship which you consider as your sort of soulmate, balanced, beautiful connection over here. Nothing much to say as far as these cards are concerned. With the Knight of Cups also, your partner has love for you and perhaps they are planning to convey it to you or show it to you, because with the mutual outcome or the most likely outcome we have the Knight of Wands. So this is a person, the Knight of Cups and the Knight of Wands, this is a person who is rushing towards you, very passionate for you, and they are rushing towards you. So they have a lot of feelings for you. Now let's see what's going on behind the scenes. So let's see what's going on. Okay, so we have the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups and the King of Cups on your side. Let's see what's there on your person's side. So we have the Seven of Cups, the Four of Cups and the Sun on your person's side. Let's see. The Queen of Cups, the Knight of Cups and the Eight of Swords. Okay. The Ten of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Page of Swords and the Star. Ace of Cups. Yeah. Anyway, so on your side behind this, for the Two of Cups you have the Queen of Cups, the Nine of Cups and the King of Cups. The Queen of Pentacles, sorry, the Queen of Pentacles, the Nine of Cups and the King of Cups. So what I am feeling here is you see this person as your wish fulfillment, and there is a connection over here between the two of you. There is a relationship over here, but what I am getting here is that you are though there are a lot of emotions, but I think you are not showing them. You are taking that time on your own, perhaps focusing on yourselves, but you see this person as your wish fulfillment. You're controlling your feelings as for now. That's what I'm saying. For some reason you are not showing them your feelings, not expressing much, though you have a lot going on in your heart, but you're not showing your feelings basically. So this connection, what I feel is this connection makes you very happy. You see them as your wish fulfillment. You really have a lot of feelings for them, but you are not investing in this You're focusing on yourself as for now. Okay, and as far as your person is concerned, we have the Knight of Cups. Underneath that, we have the Seven of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Sun. Definitely, with the Seven of Cups, there is some sort of confusion in the going on in their head. Confusion regarding trying to make a choice. And what I am getting here is that this confusion is leaving them to some extent now. They're just trying to make up their mind, but what I'm getting here with the snake is exiting. It looks as if this confusion is now going away. That's what I feel. And here with the Four of Cups, see, what I'm getting here is it's that they had a lot of confusion, and because of this confusion, it's been quite late to make a decision, and now they really don't know what to do. They're just waiting with the Four of Cups, waiting. They know there is a relationship. They have feelings. They have emotions over here, but I think they have taken a long time to make a decision, and now they really don't know what to do. Or the thing is, this there is some sort of confusion going on, but this confusion is decreasing. That is what is there for sure, and followed by it is the Sun card. So they see you as their source of happiness, basically. See, again and again, it can be for some of you that since they have taken a lot of time in deciding, now they really don't know what to do. Maybe because you have stopped investing in them now. Perhaps though you love them, but perhaps you're also focusing more on yourself. You're spending time alone, and really they don't know what is happening. Perhaps this is they've taken a lot of time to decide, and now they really don't know what is happening, because you are not investing much or showing much of your emotions. Okay, so now they are feeling bad about it. That's what I'm trying to say. They're really feeling bad about it. So okay, that what to do now? What should I do? But I think they see you as a wish fulfillment. You have the Sun card, so they have that feeling that you give them the happiness, basically. Because of this confusion, they have messed up the things, I think. Because of this confusion, they have delayed a lot, and that is why it's a sort of missed opportunity type of a thing, perhaps. And but they view you as the source of happiness, and here with the Knight of Cups, because they view you as a source of happiness, perhaps they will open up. Maybe that's what I said, that the confusion is exiting. That's what I'm getting. And over here with the Knight of Wands, this person is passionately running towards you, moving towards you. So the clarifiers were the Queen of Cups, the Knight of Cups, the Eight of Wands, Eight of Swords. So these are the first three which came out, which mean that obviously with the Knight of Cups again, Knight of Cups here, Knight of Wands here, and the Knight of Cups again, and the Queen of Cups. So obviously there is a lot of emotional fulfillment coming in, and this person is planning to open up, perhaps. And this resistance and this confusion was because of this Eight of Swords. Some sort of reluctancy, some sort of inhibition, some sort of past experiences which were holding them back. So there was something which was tying them back from moving ahead. That is why there was a lot of confusion. They couldn't make a decision, and now they feel as to what to do. And because of this reason, that this was the reason of the delay, basically. But here with the Knight of Cups and the Queen of Cups, I think they will be coming forward. And here we have the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles is obviously commitment, family. So obviously they will be I think opening up to you. And here we have the Page of Cups, the Page of Swords, perhaps they are thinking of an idea as to how to approach you. This can be the reason how to approach you, but definitely there is a communication and a new beginning which is coming in. Maybe you get a text message or something like that, but definitely there is a commitment which is coming in. And then we have followed by it the Star card and the Ace of Cups. Okay, so there is a commitment, new beginnings are there, and wish fulfillment is there, and over here the contentment of the heart with the ace of cups. With the ace of cups, a lot of emotional fulfillment and satisfaction is there, which is coming up. Okay, let's see what's there from the guidance from the universe. Romance. Just see, number 25 or number 7 may be of some significance for you. Romance. Lavish the one you love with personal attention and care. Just see the world will romance it is. Okay, so it is a romantic relationship, and you just need to lavish the other person, just need to express to the other person how much you love them. Just give them that attention and that affection which this relationship needs. So there was something which was holding this back, holding this relationship back from commitment and opening up. That's what I'm getting. But because of this confusion, okay, and I think they have messed up with it, taking a long time, but they see you as their happiness, and they are rushing towards you with the Knight of Cups here, Knight of Wands. So Pisces, it's a beautiful reading. I think your person is going to approach you. That's what I feel, and I just wish you all the best, and I just hope it helps. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's see each other in the next video. Bye.